This is things that gonna jump in backwards like my little brother did.
Okay. Woo! Okay, Scooby-Doo. What happened to all your hair, Mason?
I got a haircut.
How come you had to have a haircut?
Because I couldn't afford it.
Oh. Why'd you cut part of your hair off?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Okay. And here we have Cody diving for goodies. Say hi, Cody.
Hi. What?
What'd you find?
What?
Okay. Awesome.
What's this?
Are you being a monster? A swim monster.